Checkmark the perfect choice. Tired of constantly having to use poor quality improvisations when it comes to securing your cooler? The COOLOCK easy to install cooler locking system protects your coolers against theft and keeps them firmly into place. Checkmark upgraded diamond hole. Unlike similar products on the market, these cooler tie-downs feature an intelligently designed ultra-large diamond-shaped hole measuring 9/16 of an inch, allowing you to use thicker chains, padlocks or cables. Checkmark compatibility. The COOLOCK cooler lock bracket set is designed to ensure full compatibility with a wide range of medium and large cooler models including Yeti and RTIC. These brackets are suitable for coolers with tie-down slot measuring at least 1/4 in width. Checkmark heavy-duty construction. This truck cooler lock is made with superior quality, highly durable stainless steel, enjoying superior strength and thickness. Withstanding temperatures of up to 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit without bending or breaking, with rust-proof non-oxidizing finish, this lock is guaranteed to withstand the test of time. Checkmark includes bottle opener. This set includes everything you need for a complete and rewarding experience, with 2x steel brackets and 1x convenient card bottle opener, all set for trucks, RVs, ATV, boats and more. Top reviews from the United States. Measure before you buy. I obviously didn't read the description. They are too wide for my Pelican cooler. They are strong. They do not bend by hand or against a table with 170 pounds pushing down. I am happy. You can't beat it for the price. Just make sure it fits.